Hello everyone, salutations and greetings. Here in the south Negev of Israel in the desert today. Did a lot of hiking and trekking today, lot of miles, lots of kilometers. It's a wonderful weather, not too hot, not too cold, just right, lukewarm and pleasant. I brought my canine dog with me, of course, and I will definitely show you the place around. It's a new place. It's a new place. I obviously took a lot of stuff, a lot of gear and equipment. I took off a lot of gear and equipment because of the oxygen. I need to refresh and cool down because it's a long hike, a long trek. So I took some gear and equipment off me. I will show you around the area, the place. It's beautiful in here, very quiet, very serene, and I did some break. I sat on this log, and drank some water with electrolytes, and creatine, of course. Creatine and electrolytes. It's very important to have a creatine electrolytes. Came to just to clear my head and relax from all the work and coding and development, coding, work and studies, all the studies I do, everything. So I came to clear my head and relax in the nature, in the beautiful desert of the Negev of Israel. And okay, so 1 second. I also had to take my shoes off. I really needed to take my shoes off because I needed it. There is a clearing in here, so I took my all my stuff and I sit on this log there, on the log, and my canine dog is sitting there, relaxing. I will give her water very soon. I will give her some water to drink as well, and she will have her water, of course. It's a new place. It's much away and much farther than like other places, but I love it here. It's great. I'm sorry, I don't know, like I clean my screen and camera with Zest, with specialized spray and wipes. Zest, something like that. Clean my camera lens and with a spray and specialized wipes. And I don't know. Oh, now it's better. Now it's better. Okay. Oh, great. Just so quiet and so very relaxing in here. Okay, so yeah guys, I put my shoes back on, and before I depart this place and leave this place, I wanted to do some walking around to show you this gorgeous place, like different angles from different location, proximities, areas and vicinities of the environment here. I also saw foxes. I'm not sure if it's coyotes, hyenas, coyotes, or a fox, a coyote, or hyena, but it can also be a yarboa. In Hebrew we call it yarboa, yarboim, jarboa, jirboa, yarboa, and small fox maybe, but I saw it from afar, so I couldn't pinpoint and tell you exactly what it is, because it was quite far for me. And the lens, unfortunately, the lens is suffering from humidity, some little droplets and humidity inside the lens. I can see some steam and humidity and droplets and vapor and steam and droplets and humidity inside the lens. That's why you see me like a fog, because of the vapor and steam and all of that inside the lens. Anyway, when I will change side of the lens, the angle, you will see much better picture around here. So okay, let's change the front lens. The front lens is also problematic, but at least it's somewhat better than the, so I can, again, sorry about the, when I use these cleaning wipes to clean my lenses with a spray, I guess it wasn't such a good idea. Because when you use these specialized wipes and spray, and if you don't block or cover the gaps, the cavities and gaps inside the phone, your mobile phone, there is like the speaker, the volume, the speaker, where the stylus is, where the stylus pen is, and the speaker and the volume, back and front and back, and so the vapes, the steam, the droplets, vape, steam, droplets, and all of that, when you clean, is pouring and getting inside the mobile phone, unfortunately. Yep. Well, because of those foxes or whatever, coyotes, hyenas, yarboim or something, my canine dog is ears are spiked up. There is some, you can also see some tracks and stuff on the ground. I saw this drops like feces, excrement and feces like of animals. I saw several of those when I came in here. I saw several of those feces and excrement on the floor, and a cat or a wolf or a fox or a coyote or a hyena or a yarboa tracks on the ground. I definitely saw some of those tracks. It's so beautiful in here. Yeah, my canine dog definitely can feel stuff, like last time. She can definitely feel stuff. My canine dog can definitely feel stuff like that. Guys, again, I'm sorry about the lens, and that's it. Goodbye, take care. So guys, midway as I exit, just before I go, I want to show you this beautiful and gorgeous and rising view in here. It's very beautiful. I want you to see it, to have a look. Again, sorry about the lens, guys. I'm sorry about the lens, and nothing I can do about it, really. It's much more cooler and much more like breeze and wind, and cooler, not so hot. Just great, really. I like this weather right now. It's right now it's 7:30 p.m. 7:30 at night. Right now, evening, 7:30 at the evening, and that's it. I want to share this beautiful beautiful view where I am. Again, I apologize about apologies about the camera, and I did, oh well, need to figure the Samsung Android S26 Ultra. It's an Android S26 Ultra Note, and look at this, Android S26 Ultra Note mobile phone, but such a fucking, I mean, such a shit, such a fucking shit, Chinese shit. I mean, Chinese shit. This Android S26 Ultra is freaking shit, man. Anyway, that's the beautiful view, and great stuff. Really beautiful, really great. And I still have a lot of ways to go. So goodbye and take care. Bye bye.